name's Lexi Stambaugh, and my internship experience is teaching second graders how to be safe in the water. I chose this internship because I have a swimming background. I was always involved with the pool, being on the swim team and the water polo team. I always taught swim lessons starting freshman year, so I felt comfortable coming back to the pool and teaching the second graders to be more comfortable and safe in the water. I want you to roll on your back, looking to the sky with your airplane arms and your starfish legs. Remember, push your tummy to the sky, okay? Awesome, tummy to the sky! Perfect! I have to check the locker room because it's also the team locker room, so I just have to make sure everything's picked up and just so the girls can use the benches when they change. And then I have to lifeguard on the pool deck when all the kids come out because they usually are super excited and are like running to the bleachers because we always do a contest to see if the boys can change faster than the girls. Like, they're super competitive, so it's super funny. And I usually allow them to have a lot of fun with it too and jump off the diving board. Are we ready? Come on, Chloe! Ready? Go! Woo! Yay, Chloe! One thing this internship has taught me is definitely patience. Patience has helped me a lot with this. At first, I did not have a lot of patience for these kids, but getting to know them more and seeing how each kid learns at different levels and different paces, it allowed me to have more patience with them and learn to teach the class all at once, but like managing that. I always love helping people and seeing the kids accomplish faces when they get to do their goals and all their achievements on their own. It really makes me happy. I'm Lexi Stambaugh, and this experience has been so great for me that I suggest this for anybody that wants to coach swimming.